The proposed pig farming project in Bukit Tagar, Hulu Selangor has been cancelled and postponed until an alternative location or more suitable method is identified. Selangor Menteri Besar Datuk Seri Amirudin Shari said the State Executive Council made the decision last week after Infrastructure and Agriculture Exco Datuk Izham Hashim reported strong opposition from residents. He said the decision was in line with Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim's suggestion to scrap the current proposal. Amirudin was speaking to reporters after the Menteri Besar's 2026 New Year address at Dewan Raja Muda Musa today. He acknowledged that the state government's plan had been announced prematurely, which led to public debate. Amirudin added that Anwar shared his views on the matter during a telephone call while he was overseas attending a state agency retreat. The Bukit Tagar project was originally proposed to address long-standing pollution issues in Tanjung Sepat, Kuala Langat, which have persisted for more than a decade.